And the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that we've successfully installed Visual Studio Code and those Python extensions we need. So we'll start by sending a hello world message, or start with this hello world program. And then if you have this zoomed out, you might see run. For me, I have to go to these triple dots and go to run. And then I always do run without debugging, but then it does make me choose the Python debugger anyway. And then you'll have this terminal open. I'm going to make this a bit larger. And what you'll see is a lot of funny looking text. And for me right now, it's green. But then at the bottom, we do get hello world. Okay, great. Next, let's go ahead and make sure we can still run our Bart Simpson program. I'm going to use a while loop this time and set counter to 0.